Impact of alcohol consumption on life expectancy.
Life expectancy at birth reflects the overall mortality level of a population. It summarizes the mortality pattern that prevails across all age groups in a given year depending on various socioeconomic and political factors of a particular country. According to statistics of 2014, countries with highest life expectancy rate are Belgium, Finland, Germany, Portugal, etc. At the other end of the scale, life expectancy for both men and women is still less than 55 years in nine sub Saharan African countries. Hence, a clear distinction in life expectancy rate between developed and developing countries is quite evident. Germany has an enormous life expectancy rate of 89%, whereas South Africa has the same rate of 49.96%. Therefore, a difference of roughly 40% is enough to make it crystal clear that the more developed the country is, the more living years it has to offer to its people. Another correlation that can be traced out from the given graphs and dataset is that between life expectancy and alcohol consumption. The countries have been segregated on the basis of their development, developed and developing, according to the given plots where size of circle denotes alcohol consumption. Belarus has an average life expectancy of 72 with an alcohol consumption rate of 13.94%, whereas Australia has an average life expectancy of 82.7 with around 9.71% of its citizens consuming alcohol on a yearly basis. As a result, it wouldn't be completely unfair to derive the general trend over the years, as the life expectancy of a particular country is inversely proportional to the level of alcohol intake by its citizens. Apart from that, 4% of global deaths occur due to excessive alcohol consumption. According to WHO, declining tobacco and alcohol use is also a key factor in helping people live longer in several countries. However, exceptions do prevail. For instance, alcohol was banned in Ireland from 1919 to 1989, and the life expectancy then was just 72.7%. After the prohibition was lifted, an increase of just 10% was recorded currently, with an average life expectancy of 81.2%. Since the development of a country is determined by its GDP, the indirect conclusion that we derive from the dataset of 20 countries with highest and lowest expectancy is that if the GDP of a country is high, then eventually the life expectancy of that country will be high. An important point that shall be considered here is that life expectancy does not depend on GDP, but not entirely relies on it. Other factors like socioeconomic status, educational levels, happiness index also have equal relevance when it comes to analyzing this relation between alcohol intake and average lifespan of people.